So the next part was your duck feet.
Right.
Yeah. So we're just gonna lay down on your back. There you go. Right. So this way you do this hard. I can just lay down and just roll to the side. There you go. Sweet. So we want to create associated memory. And then get that one. Let's push this back. Push it there. There you go. Sweet. Awesome.
Just contract it?
Yep. Just want an extension. Just roll to the side. Okay. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. There you go. Sweet. Hold it there. Alright. So you stretch your navel. If you just roll on over a ball, nothing gonna happen. A lot of researchers say we're not gonna get anything out of myofascial release techniques like foam rolling and stuff like that. But nobody considers the context that you're in.
Mm-hmm.
So you're standing in the context of standing
Yeah.
in position with external rotation. So we need to get that position same way, and you're still not extending your hip. So you need to get that going back, right there. Place this foot here, so you get some support. And now, here, pull the navel, rotate your trunk a little bit to the left. There you go. Hold it there. Place this hand underneath your ear. There you go. There you go. Hold this hand here, so you get some contact. There you go. So, how's that feel? Nice like a bitch, huh?
Well, this one can hurt more, I think.
Yeah? Alright, sweet. There you go. Now make sure that you extend. There you go. Sweet. Pull in the navel. Sweet. There you go. The thing with myofascial release is you need to give it some time.
Right.
Let the ball sink in. Let the fascia release a little bit. There you go. Awesome. There you go. See it shakes. Start shaking. There you go, buddy. That's it. Put in. Ribs. Away with some Wim Hof breathing. Yeah, think about that. Breathe. Breathe, motherfucker. Let's go. Alright. Get your extension. Get your heel a little bit back. There you go. Sweet. Ooh, there you go. There you go. Sweet. Now, can you internally rotate your leg? Yeah, there you go. Oh, not too much, too much. There you go. Sweet. Over there. Awesome. Beautiful. Great. You feel it sink in? You feel the pain going away a little bit? Right? Cool. And switch sides. Right. Same thing. So first you're gonna look for a little spot that's tender. Alright. Yeah, there you go. Rotate. Trunking. Smile. There you go. Very enjoy it. Don't run away from it.
No.
Get into it. Get into it. You're trying to stay away from it. Get the shoulder in. There you go. Breathe. Breathe. Go on the navel. Breathe into your rib cage. There you go, buddy. That's it, nice. There you go. Sweet. Open those ribs. Yep, keep the TVA activated. Pull it in. There you go. So this MFR, or just laying on a little lacrosse ball, will give some more room on your glutes, especially glute medius. And with that, you can address the duck feet. Next thing is fine. There you go, buddy. Beautiful. Try to extend your right hip a little bit. There you go. No, just a little bit, just a little bit. Don't overextend it. There you go. Beautiful. Okay. Feel a little, your foot start shaking.
Mm.
There you go. Sweet. Yeah, boy. Alright, take a break. So, stand up. And walk a little bit.
All right, this is cool. My shoulder is starting to sink more. It feels different. That's my left shoulder is one of my enemies.
Mm-hmm. Do you understand why?
Yeah, because the fascial lines all work together, and
Yeah. And what fascial line did we just address?
lateral line, right? No. Oh,
Spiral lateral lines a little bit. You know, they convert into each other. It's not like one link.
yeah.
You know, they all go into each other and they influence each other. So as soon as you go do this, how hard is for you to stand like this right now?
Well, it used to be harder on the right. The
Yeah.
right was
It's still rotating outwards.
Yeah.
You know, and you got a lot of dysfunctions. So basically, you're hyperextending your knees now. So if you look at from the side, you're getting more weight on your heels.
Yeah, I can feel that.
So now what you need to start shifting your rib cage forward. You know? So if you go into did you do FP plank before?
Sorry?